Analytics teams spend a lot of time building the datasets used for reporting and advanced analytics. Now, most of the time, the same datasets can be reused to create new reports and visuals, but they don't. Why? Because these datasets are siloed inside the analytics stack, like Databricks, Tableau, or Power BI, and they aren't documented. Therefore, they're not easy to find, access, and explore. DvSum Agile Data Catalog can automatically scan your entire analytics stack, allowing you to create a unified data and analytics catalog. Let's see it in action. Let's say we are using Tableau as our analytics tool. It contains a couple of folders, contains a couple of reports, contains a couple of data connections. Now let's see how we can bring all of this into DvSum Data Catalog automatically. I go to DvSum, I click on data sources, I add a source, select Tableau, I add my connection parameters. I click on test connection. Great, it's connected. I save it. And I'm ready to scan. I click on scan, and that's it. DvSum will scan the Tableau site, extract reports, datasets, data connections, lineage information, and connect it with my existing data catalog of all my sources. Let's look at the scan summary. It extracted the reports metadata. It extracted the data sets. It extracted the data source information and lineage. Let's go to the analytics dictionary. I see the listing of all the extracted data sets or data sources in Tableau and reports. Let's look at one of these data sets. I see all the details of the data set here, when it was refreshed, who authored it, what is the lineage, what are the sources of data sources from which it was built, and additional classification information. Let's look at further details. How many fields are there? What are the granularity of the fields, attributes, measures, time series data? I see the list of data fields here, and I see what are the actual data source fields they are connected to. This is already valuable stuff, but let's make it even better. So I click here and say, okay, definition is not well defined. So let me go ahead and edit this. I can add the definition and enrich the information. And let me go ahead and certify this data set for reuse. I click on classification, add certification tag. So now I have further enriched this data set. Now let's see how another analyst is going to find and use this data set. Let's say I'm Adam, another analyst, and I'm looking to build a new report on price analytics on customer orders. So I am in DvSum. Let me search for product orders. So I can see tables, columns, terms. I'm interested directly in models and report that might already exist. Oh, there is a report called product orders. Let me see if I can reuse it. I see some information about the report. I see where it is coming from. I can see what fields are used in this report. So I do see some useful information, but it is not good enough. So let me go back and go to the data set from which it was built. Now I can see the certification that was done by Sam. So I can see that this data has been certified. So that's good to know. I can click on the fields. I can search for the measures that I'm interested in. So I see the current price information. I can see the attributes, and I can see all the different attributes related to products and customers that I want to use. And so this is the data set that looks good, and I want to use this data set. Great. Conveniently, I can click on this link and navigate directly to the data set in Tableau, and I'm ready to build my report. In summary, where previously Adam would have spent days finding data, duplicating the effort and building a new data set, now with DvSum, He's able to find and use an existing published dataset and start building his report in less than 5 minutes. To recap, DvSum Agile Data Catalog can automatically scan your entire analytics stack, allowing you to create a unified data and analytics catalog, thereby accelerating time to insights while increasing reuse, metrics consistency, and governance. Learn more at dvsum.ai and start for free today.